Hi, this is attorney and nurse practitioner Joe Flores, licensed in the state of Texas and ability to practice federal law nationwide with the court's permission and with local counsel. That's the way I like it. We're talking here at the Legal Minute Clinic today about nursing, student rights, whether you're just beginning in nursing or you're working on that MSN or PhD or DPN, please, DNP rather, please watch this. Your rights as a nursing student, let's cover those very quickly. You've got a right to a safe learning environment without hostility, and we've all paid our dues. We've known those instructors that make your life a living hell. And some of those instructors, unfortunately, base it upon gender, base it upon race, base it upon ethnicity. And I have seen that because I myself have been in the academic world as a clinical professor. And the right to access educational resources. You can't be denied an equal shake when you sign up, and you've got to be careful. These online universities, many of them are very good, many of them are very bad. Do your due diligence and find out. Many of these institutions are saying, if you're a nurse practitioner, go out and find your own clinical experience. Easier said than done and very expensive. I have represented people that have been discriminated against by the universities that they're studying for, and what happens. Just like a criminal law or a nursing board write-up, you have a record, which is your academic professional record, and you're removed from a university for whatever cause. You've got to fight it, because that can ruin your whole academic career forever. And the right to privacy and confidentiality and accommodation. Let's talk about those. Privacy in your records, privacy in your speaking with the professors about whatever issue you have, particularly ADA. You have a right to have extended time to take tests, accommodations that are reasonable, and you can bring that up in Title IX if you have been, it's one of the federal statutes that if you've been discriminated against, you have rights. And the right to appeal academic decisions. We're not trying to wag the dog here, but students do have rights. If you, got a D as a graduate student, you're almost toast. So, you have to find out, wait a minute, why did I get a D for a paper I worked so hard on? You can question and challenge things. You can't just, like in the old Stone Age when I went to nurse practitioner school and nursing school 3 decades ago, you can't just blow it off. You've got to defend yourself, and I've defended. That's one of the reasons I became a lawyer. And the right to participate in clinical experiences, we've talked about that. I firmly believe that universities need to let people have experiences, and they pay for it, because you're paying big-time tuition, and then they're asking you to pay providers to monitor your clinical experiences. Just like nurses can go to nursing homes and hospitals and training, nurse practitioners should get that also. That's my opinion. Doesn't necessarily reflect everybody's opinion, but that's what I believe. And the right to support services and right to report misconduct of educators and other students. If you're subject to hazing, bullying, or other misconduct, let people know, make a record, document. Get a lawyer. And remember, your duties are to adhere to professional standards and completing required coursework. You can't just expect to everything to run your way. It's a two-way street. And also maintaining confidentiality about all of your clinical experiences. Don't post things about the university or badmouth them, especially during a hearing or litigation. So our summary is that nursing students have the right to a safe learning experience and avoiding hostile environments. They have a right to clinical experiences, the right to academic experiences, and ADA, the American Disabilities Act, they can accommodate you at school. If you have visual, auditory, or other sensory or neuromuscular problems or learning disabilities, let them know so they can afford you a right to receive your education as well. And lastly, understanding these rights can help you navigate the academic system. This is Attorney Joe Flores. Follow us and also like us. And also check us out on all social media platforms and on floreslawfirm.com. Thank you and God bless.